welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. If you are already subscribed to this channel, thank you so much for coming back to watch this video. If you are not, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. I like to do different hauls from different stores, and I like to do crafting and just whatever I find interesting or something I think you may find interesting I show on this channel. Today I'm showing you what I'm sending my partner for. She's not my partner. You know how this works if you're probably watching this. It's we send out a box to we start working on the box, and then we find out late who we're sending it to, and then we send our box blindly to them for the ear swap. And this is my ears, and I decided to go with Is Your Favorite Classic Movie. And my favorite classic movie really probably wouldn't be appropriate for anybody that is in this swap. So I guess my second favorite classic movie would be Mary Poppins. When I was a kid, I just loved that movie. So I wanted to go with that. And I didn't sew this. I used hot glue, and I wish I hadn't have. There are some glue. I don't know how to get it off of here. I looked it up, and it said use alcohol and a Q-tip, which I tried to do that. So maybe my partner will know what to do. There's just a few spots there that she'll know what to do to get it off. But so I wanted to go with Mary Poppins, and this is a glittery type of material. It's very pretty, and the bow, and I just glued a little umbrella on there. So she'll probably guess it right away, but that's okay. Some things do not need to just be a whole mystery. So as far as tissue paper, I don't really have anything that matches, so I'm gonna have to just go like this. Okay, so that's going to be on the top of the box. And then I made her my signature makeup bag. This says practically perfect in every way, which is something that Mary Poppins said. And then I just put her name on the back. And inside I just added a few little goodies, a few face masks, and some fingernail files. I don't have coordinating tissue paper, so she's just going to get it in a variety of different colors. We will be having her opening this first. Okay, I'll need to tape this down. So this will be opening first. And then I got her these socks, practically perfect. And then I just made this bag topper. I just did this on my Cricut, and then I added some glitter stickles. And then I cut these umbrellas out on my Cricut, and I just added some what are these called? Liquid pearls on here. So this is going to be opened third, because I will be taping all this, so she will have to open it. Okay, so that will be open third. Because you won't see it, because I have to stop at Kroger to pick that up. but it will be going here. Anything can happen if you let it. So that will be this bag topper here. And I'm going to pick up, I'm not sure what type of candy yet. This is double-sided tape. I'm going to go ahead and put this on here, which will make my job easier when I get to Kroger to take this to the post office today. I'm not sure what kind of candy, but you know, it's a spoonful of sugar, helps the medicine go down. We will be opening this up. She'll be opening that candy up second. So I'm just going to go ahead and stick that right there. So she will open the candy second. So we'll just stick that right there. All right. And then I ordered her this. And it says a spoonful of sugar, and here's Mary Poppins on this side, and then it has this spoon down in here, so cute. And it is Disney Mary Poppins, and it is Disney licensed. So now this is how they sent it, with just this in here. So I want to wrap that in a piece of bubble wrap, just to give it a little extra protection in the box. Better use 2 for that. And so that will be, this will be open last. Not that she's not going to know already, but and then that is my package to my partner. This one last thing to show you is my card that I made her. It's still a little bit wet. I'm going to stick it in front of the fan while I get dressed to go to the post office. These are some alcohol pearls, and then I just put some stickles here. Maybe a little too much there. But I just told her I'm sure she knew that this was Mary Poppins before she gets to this card. And I hope she enjoys this box. And that's it. And so I just did this on my Cricut. Just had my Cricut write this out. So, all right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have watched everybody's videos in the playlist, and because there is a prize if you do watch all of them. So I hope you all have a great morning, noon, afternoon, night, whatever time it is you're watching this video. I hope you are having the time of your life. Thank you all so much. Bye-bye.